Remove the small cover plates on both sides and unscrew the screws inside. Remove the trunk cover. Remove this decorative plate and lock the wiring harness. And then the adapter harness comes through here and lock the harness sleeve. First thread the harness through the tube sleeve. Once through the sleeve, use the traction tool to pull the wire harness from here. Go through. Connect the tap wires and then go through here. Plug the harness into place. Connect the tail door light to test. Touch sensitive switch.